there were 3 characters in the film, and I had made an imaginary playlist of what these guys listen to.
I sounded this little piece to him, and he immediately reacted to it, and he reacted to it musically.
I think you really enjoy that. You like taking these, manjo hai khiladi.
It's a risk because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work.
What does it take for, a Kausar Munir or an Ankur Tiwari to say we want to work with the other person?
I don't have many negotiables. If I feel like anybody who's approaching anything with honesty, I want to be a part of it. We live in a country where culturally you are considered a better friend if you can pull the other person's leg harder. वो हम लोग कई बार इंडिया में we cross that line.
I was calling it "ek chadar do takye," "ek chadar do takye," which is the first line of the. And then he said, "Don't you think we should call it Chand Takye? It has a better ring to it." I said, "Absolutely, that's what we should call it." I'm not insecure about my work. For me, the thing is, will it be understood in the way that I mean it to be understood, or that I mean it, but I have to shed that, because everybody derives their own meaning, their own interpretation, and that is what and that is what art is. You mentioned a line from Dubey. What I love, there's this one phrase which it goes Besafar, and Besafar is not a word, so now the thing is, and I got a little nervous about that, and Ankur is like, so इसमें क्या problem है? It's
If Shakespeare can do it, Kausar can do it.
Yeah, so it's and now people assume that it means somebody without a path or without so it's okay, fine.
Yeah, I love it.
What
I love
else?
it. Making up words with Ankur Tiwari and Kausar Munir. कौन सा रोल है? पनीर रोल है? पनीर रोल है? काठी रोल है?
नहीं
ऐसे घड़िया जोक मैं मार सकती हूँ, मेरा पूरा हक बनता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो दोनों लोग बैठे हैं वो तो मुझे जज कर चुके हैं बहुत साल पहले. अंकुर has seen me when I was in my 20s, when I was a twinkie.
So just like 2-3 years back.
Thank you. अंकुर के सारे shows में बहुत सालों से, like literally, we were like the dancing girls.
Basically, when 3 people used to come for my shows, she was the first one.
Was the first
amongst those 3.
सबसे आगे मैं खड़ी,
सबसे आगे हम खड़े. मैं थी, निशा थी, इंसिया थी. तो हम 3 तो थे ही, ओके, और कुछ और 5-6 और थे. बट चाहे वो ब्लू फ्रॉग हो, चाहे वो पहला NH7 वीकेंडर हो, I mean, we've always, wanted to be there where Ankur was performing. And I think it's just one of those traditions. Even now when you performed at Lola, I remember saying, Ankur ke set ko miss nahi karna hai. I just think because some people and some sounds are the sounds of, they take you back to your bachpan. So
some of my songs take me back to my bachpan as
well. Your bachpan as well. Kausar, of course, is someone who I was very intimidated by in the beginning, because I was like, wow, she's a woman who writes. And there's nothing more intimidating than a woman with a pen.
Oh, yeah.
And I think it's really amazing. I've always told you, it's the greatest gift a woman could have, to put, thought and pen to paper. And then I met her, and then I realized that she's so lovely. And now I'm very honored to say that I can actually call her a friend.
Of course,
which
absolutely.
is so lovely. So, Ankur Tiwari and Kausar Munir, thank you so much for joining me on Fever today.
Thank you so much
for having us. और जो आपने मेरे बारे में कहा, right back at you.
Right back at you.
Oh, wow. So I'm in the वो tennis match होता है ना.
Is this the two of you all coming together for the first time to do something independent, as they would say?
Independent? No, this is a trick question.
Yeah.
we work together. See, the thing is that whenever Kausar and I work, we don't think we're working for mainstream or independent together. So it's a series that's of...
क्योंकि spirit ही independent है.
It's so much freedom involved that it's not boxed into anything. But we've done a lot of work together. Okay. If that's what you're asking. We started with this film called Guilty, which I did the lyrics, he did the music, and kind of, put the whole music for the film together. And in that sort of independent space, we also worked together on Coke Studio Bharat. Then of course Gehraiyan, this show that now Swanand and Ankur have co-created. It's called Band Wale. So I've written the poems for that. Yes. So yes, quite a bit of
So
stuff.
काफी काम किया है साथ में.
और लगता नहीं है काफी किया है, लगता है और काफी
नहीं
करना
नहीं
है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
काफी करना है. But
Yes.
this is truly a collaboration between the two of you as artists. Would that be correct to say?
Absolutely,
है ना?
absolutely.
Because it's an Ankur Tiwari song with Kausar Munir,
Right.
where he's singing your words,
Right.
and I think that there's such a beauty in this song. I want to start with usually एक गाने का इजाद उसके पता नहीं हमारी इंडस्ट्री में तो पहले धुन आती है फिर शब्द आते हैं, you know, when it comes to the Hindi film music industry.
Right.
But with this song, I'd like to believe that the words came first.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
they did.
So how did that happen?
So this is one of those songs कि मैंने बस कविता नुमा शायद एक नज्म नुमा चीज लिख के रखी हुई थी. काफी ऐसी चीजें हैं. और एक दिन हम दोनों एक स्टूडियो में बैठे थे किसी और चीज पे काम कर रहे थे और वो it was not the moment for I suppose that job that we were doing. So and then just to sort of clear our heads and break the air, I sonowed this little piece to him, and he immediately reacted to it, and he reacted to it musically. Literally, the guitar was in his hand and he
Strummed it.
The first reaction that I had was usually I write my own songs, so I am very somewhere in my head is I should write my own songs thing is there. So she started speaking these words, and I kind of made fun, and I said like if somebody had to make music of it, it would be like this, and I kind of made a mock folk kind of melody. But then as I was doing that, it the words resonated with me very deeply, and I felt that greedy would be the right word, that I want to have these words with me in my song. And she opened her Pitara, her laptop, and the Word document was there. It was there, and I started looking at those words, and they spoke to me, and I literally I was reading the words, and I without even looking at the guitar, this chord suddenly came, and this happened and this happened, and I kept on reading the words, and I didn't know where it's going to go, so I just kept on singing it in one flow, and in one flow somehow I was completely convinced that after 3-4 lines I would lose it and it would not culminate and it would not kind of become a song, but it just kept going and going and going, and the whole poem got done and the whole song got done in one go.
Absolutely in one go, and he recorded it then and there.
Wow, wow. You know what I like about this song is that unlike most songs, there is a cadence to this which is so different from the regular song. And I don't know how to say it, there's no other way to say it, लेकिन आम जनता तो ऐसे ही बोलेगी ना, और मैं तो आम जनता ही हूँ, कि इस गाने में आपको पता नहीं है कि कब आगे जाना है और कब पीछे,
जैसा मैं महसूस कर रहा था मुझे पता नहीं आगे जाना पीछे. I was just finding my way through it, and literally the words led the way.
No, but it's so beautiful because sometimes you want a song to surprise you. You don't want. So I really love the melody that you've actually used for it, and it really is a certain beauty of that song itself. कि आपको पता नहीं कि ये शब्द कब रुकेगा. So did that happen to you? Because when I listen to it, that's what I feel.
Yeah, I think in my subconscious, in my mind, I was going. There's a cyclical. So it's a cycle. So I was just tripping on that cycle, and maybe first time I was not even singing the song. I was mumbling the words. I was finding first few words. I was finding the melody. Then the melody found. It was just, I don't know, it happened magically.
And of all the things you named it Chand Takiye, was it originally called that? Was the poem ever called that?
Well, it's funny that you ask, because I was calling it Ek Chadar Do Takiye, Ek Chadar Do Takiye, which is the first line of the. And then he said, don't you think we should call it Chand Takiye? It has a better ring to it. I said, absolutely, that's what we should call it. And that's why he is a writer in his own right, and but just going back a bit, when you said कि ये पता नहीं कि आगे जाना है या पीछे जाना है, and then while you were speaking I thought शायद क्योंकि इस गाने में ठहराव है, और वो ठहर जाने वाली ही जो एक का जो लम्हा है वो इस गाने की फितरत है,
बिल्कुल.
and that is what he caught in his melody, and then that is what the
video
director caught without having mentioned or talked or shown us the moon at all. वो जो एक उसका उस लम्हे में ठहर जाना. So while you were speaking I said हाँ, क्योंकि इसमें लिखते वक्त मैंने एक ठहराव सोचा था और वो अंकुर ने उसको कायम रखा.
And I think it's such a beautiful word or a world, right? Because you're saying कि चांद को आप तकिए दे रहे हैं, and it's such a beautiful thought itself. Because clouds as pillows, like these are the things that
Oh,
I
that's
thought
an
of.
interesting
That's
point
an
of view.
point of view, but that's not so what how I intended it कि एक चादर दो तकिए रखिए साथ में मेरे चांद को तकिए.
बिल्कुल.
So देखना, but that's so but it kind of becomes a
But when you say chand takiye,
takiye,
and that's the
yes.
beauty of the language,
Yeah,
right? Because
yeah.
you're saying takna yani कि देखना
Correct.
ताकना,
Yeah.
but I'm thinking like chand
Pillows.
takiye.
Yeah.
Yo,
That's nice.
pillow
Yeah.
moon.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah,
Yes.
but that's what I
Yeah.
thought. You know, and I thought, oh, is the chand getting these clouds as pillows, or is the chand my pillow?
And pillow moon is a good concept as opposed to honeymoon.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah.
Why not? But what does it take for, you know, a Kausar Munir or an Ankur Tiwari to say we want to work with the other person? What is like non-negotiables for you?
Honesty.
Mhm.
I mean, like the how you approach your work. For me, like I don't have many negotiables. If I feel like anybody who's approaching anything with honesty, I want to be a part of it.
And with Ankur, it's pre-approved. मेरे लिए तो कोई उसमें negotiable की बात ही नहीं. It's Ankur. It comes with its own sort of standard of, you know, it will be authentic. There will be it'll be professional, and there'll be a human aspect to it. It's not like you're not dealing with some suit.
Yes,
I
yes.
think one word that definitely comes to my mind is respect, which is something I even kind of correct myself from time to time, even in my friendships. We live in a country where culturally you are considered a better friend if you can pull the other person's leg harder. You know, like that's why we like some of my friends who come from outside India, they sometimes ask like, how come you are still friends? Because you're really like pulling each other's legs so much. But I feel sometimes in that we have to be careful where the respect aspect is, and more so with friends than anybody else.
कि आप कह रहे हैं कि आप मजाक तो दोस्तों का ही उड़ा सकते हैं, लेकिन वो मजाक में भी आपको थोड़ी सी क्या बोलते हैं एक रिस्पेक्ट देनी जरूरी है. 100%, right?
वो हम लोग कई बार इंडिया में we cross that line often.
And also, well, in the same vein, that is, you know, you sometimes reserve the worst for people who know you well or you're close, because you know they'll take it.
Still accept.
Yeah. So to fine, that is one thing, that to be able to bear your soul to them and to be able to, but also to be able to find that I will also be understood. I think again, Chand Takiye came to Ankur, I mean, from me, because I knew it'll find its space.
Correct.
And
And
if
the
it-
right space.
and if he didn't vibe with it, for example, he would say very, kindly, with kindness, he would say, this is not for me, or this is not, I'm not kind of, so that is something, I suppose that's my interpretation.
Which was my first reaction, because when I saw it, I wanted to say, no, I don't want to. And I started making up something like this kind of a tune. I think ऐसा बनाते, but when I started saying those words, I said, ये तो अच्छे हैं यार, मैं ये why am I letting this go?
Yeah, it's
So
a
it was
beautiful point.
quite amazing.
But you know what, Kausar, what I'm happy about is that at least because of this song, you've come out to the studio. And how many times has this happened with mainstream Bollywood?
And also
never.
for her work, like we've been speaking as friends for so long to release her work independently as well. She released an album of poems last Independence Day, right?
Yes.
And I am very excited about her because the treasure chest of works that she has in her Pitara is like amazing. Like there's so much work there which
Amazing.
should reach the world.
He's hell-bent upon kind of, cracking that
This artistry of you.
Yeah.
This artistry
Yeah.
of you. No, बहुत बढ़िया है, because I feel like what I'm also trying to get to is that the truth is that even though you might have written songs which have gone on to win many awards, it just doesn't work that way, right? Like the Hindi film music business doesn't work in a way where you ever bring the lyricist in. You know, I've always seek the lyricist, where I've always said, ki, please,
Yeah, you're wonderful with that.
Swanand,
Yeah.
please mujhse baat kar lo. Ya Irshad bhai, please mujhse baat kar lo. Because there is so much when you write. And Ankur, for you as well, because you are both writers, I feel that's where it really starts, because you have thought, and thought is what leads, into a song. And because that doesn't happen often with the Hindi film music industry, this is that opportunity where you're like, but I feel like, yay, are you enjoying this for yourself? Talking about your songs?
It's hard for me, not because there is some sort of I'm not confident of it, or I'm not proud of it. There is, I think, for me, the key is to be understood. When you're writing for a movie, there is a lot of many other elements that are coming together to create this, and then so there are many, shared partners, and there are many. Whereas when it comes to your work, I don't. It's not even fear of failure, or it's not an insecurity, or I'm not insecure about my work. For me, the thing is, will it be understood in the way that I mean it to be understood, or that I mean it, but I have to shed that, because no, everybody derives their
Yeah,
own meaning,
meaning.
their own interpretation, and
Chand
that is
tak
what
ye.
yes, and that is what art is. So to not
Correct.
be so sort of, you can't control that. You can't control that. So to let go of that, and then perhaps
But the other thing is also like, usually it's the other trajectory, right? कि आप पहले एक independent artist होते हो, फिर आपको break मिलता है, फिर आप फिल्मों में गाने लिखते हो. I feel like this other trajectory for you, which is that आपने फिल्मों में गाने लिखे, लेकिन आज आप कह रहे हैं कि मैं खुद के गाने अपने audience के साथ share कर रही हूँ. I think that's I wouldn't say it's the opposite, but I think it's definitely the other way around. Not opposite, but the other way around.
the other.
And I don't know if that is more fearful because, you're Kausar Munir, you wrote these songs.
No,
Uh,
it's new for me, because even I, like I always say, I didn't come into the film industry with a dream and a diary. No, it happened. That too just happened to me. So I'm constantly sort of experiencing it in a new way and looking at it in a new way. And yes, perhaps I need to sort of pave this road into, with better seeds and flowers and plants, nurture it so that
yeah, I feel
yeah.
it's a new beginning.
Yes.
I think it's really cool. You had an album released last year, and I wish we'd all known about it.
Yeah, they were poems. And again, Ankur was so wonderful. Ankur and Swanand, we were talking about it. The next morning, they had booked a studio. And they said, now, ab aake mic ke
कर
samne
लो
khade ho
यार,
jao.
खत्म ही
मेरे
कर लो.
old school Indian parents के deep end में फेंक दिया, swimming कर लो.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
And sorry, I'm hogging but the last word on this. True to form, on the morning of that, which was the next day, I called up Swan and said, आज पता है ना Swan, आ जाओ. मेरे को पता है क्या है तुमको आज, जो भी है problem,
जो भी है,
छोड़ो, आ
छोड़
जाओ.
दो.
I put the phone down.
Amazing.
Yeah.
But you need that. The two of you also worked together on one of my favorite soundtracks, which is Gehraiya. I absolutely love it. अंकुर, आप हमें बताएं कि उस साउंड ट्रैक में आपने एक दूसरे के बारे में क्या जाना. Was there a song that is your favorite as a collaboration with Kausar?
I mean, that album itself was a really fun album for us to do work on. Firstly, the way that we found Kabir and Savera, Oaf and Savera, to do that album. To then, the thought process was very simple. Like, there were 3 characters in the film, and I had made an imaginary playlist of what these guys listened to. These 3 different characters, and Oaf and Savera were common among all of those. But Oaf and Savera only wrote songs in English, which was not what the film deserved. So what we did was, then I had to find a voice which would counter their newness, their freshness, because it could have been too new and too fresh. So I felt we really needed to get some poetry which is fresh at the same time is samlawa from the time from somebody who's done a lot of writing in the movie industry, who understands the pop world as well. And Kausar and I had worked together before, so I felt that she's a perfect partner with them. And also I knew that once I put these guys in the room, they are so different from each other that it would be exciting to see how this
That
collision
comes
happens.
across, yeah.
And yes, so that collision was amazing.
But you did that with Gully Boy and Javed Saab. That
Yeah, it's
I think you really enjoy that. You like taking these, manje hue khiladi.
It's a risk because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. But like it's also it's for me it's schooling. Like I go and when I see Kausar work from her perspective, not when I'm working with her, when I see it from perspective, or if I see Javed Saab working, it's also I learn a few chops.
100%. 100%. Some of those are such memorable songs. Like I think Bekabu is such a great song, and I think Dube is such a great song because you feel it. सांसों में समंदर जब वो बोलते हैं सांसों में समंदर दोस्तों, like.
I love the song that you wrote. That's my favorite
Oh,
song
yeah.
of the yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Gehrai
that
Aankhein.
happened only because Kausar was in Goa writing with Amit Trivedi for something else, right?
Yes.
We had used uh, an English song by Ofen Savera for a trailer which had to be. Suddenly they decided they had to launch it next day,
As it always is.
and
कल trailer launch
so
करना है, आज गाना
they
चाहिए.
had put a reference track which was Ofen Savera's English track and Frontline, and it was working very well with the visuals and everything. But they said you can't be in English; we need to write in Hindi. Kausar was in Goa with I think Amit Trivedi, if that's correct. I said okay, I'll write dummy lyrics for now, and then when she comes in a couple of days, he'll go. And somehow everyone liked the dummy
Stayed.
lyrics, and then it just.
I like them the most. It's really, yeah, it's really nice. Again, you mentioned a line from Dubey. What I love, there's this one phrase which where it goes besafar, besafar, and besafar is not a word, you know. So now the thing is, and I got a little nervous about that, and Ankur is like, so what problem hai? It's
If
it's
Shakespeare
not.
can do it, Kausar can do
Oh,
it.
yeah. So it's and now people assume that it means somebody without a path or without So it's okay, fine.
Yeah, I love it. I
What
love it.
else?
Making up words with Ankur Tiwari and Kausar Munir. What are your favorite lines that you've written, as a collaboration, as a duo? Like a line that you really loved or you
So
really
with
loved.
Chand Takhiye, we were just talking about it a little while ago that I love that ek dohar mein hum tum dohre, raat chandni hum tum kohre. So yeah, it's that's such a beautiful visual of closeness and of intimacy, and I like the wordplay. So
I like the wordplay
Yeah,
too. Like,
yeah.
takiye, bro. It's blown my mind. This whole song has changed
Pillow
for me.
moon, pillow moon,
Pillow moon, pillow moon.
What's
मेरा
the,
तो
what's
pillow
the name
moon ही
of
चल रहा
the
था.
what the book your sister wrote?
paper moon.
Paper Moon. Okay.
Yeah.
Paper moon, yeah. And for you, if you had to pick a line written by her that you really love.
I can't use that word. If I have to really think about it, and I love this line the most because it connected with me the most because these words uh, spoke to me and they said we need to
Make this
stay
song.
with you forever. And now I know that this song is not leaving my set list for a long time.
Independent music, okay, you guys, at least Ankur, let me just say this out loud. अगर अंकुर तिवारी नहीं होता तो इस देश में इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक
क्या होता
सही बात कह रही हूँ मैं. आप किसी से भी पूछ लीजिए.
फाउंडर मेंबर
फाउंडर और लोग थे यार. हम तो
नहीं, फाउंडर तो और भी थे, बहुत सारे थे. There was all the guys who had the bands and it's Parikrama and it's Indus Creed and all of these guys and Indus Creed and Indian Ocean and everybody. तो ये सारे हैं. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं over the last 20 years, let's be honest, वो 20 साल जब से हम एक दूसरे को
हम तो लगे हुए हैं.
हाँ. I just feel like there is something that we can take from you, Ankur, in terms of like, why do you do it? आपको पता चलता है कि ये मेरी indie music वाली audience है. Where does it really matter? Because does it matter when you're selling those tickets, for example? I don't know.
Matter in what sense?
Community बनाना चाहिए.
Community is very interesting because the community keeps on changing. People like it's like your community is like you run a sarai. People come and stay there and they move on, and some people repeat guests.
Oh, lovely.
And some people stay there for very long, like Chelsea Hotel. They're just staying there, and I love that. But and it's very different. Some people fell in love with this. Now they have babies. Now they don't have time to come for the gigs. And new kids are coming and saying, I'm not going to reveal this artist. I'm going to keep it my secret. So it's like as I said in a festival recently, a lot of the kids were younger than my career. So and it was very exciting to see that that they resonated with the feelings that I like. What is the biggest thing for an artist? I don't know if you agree with it or not, but to stay relevant, what you're saying is resonating with other people.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's for me that's exciting when you see that's resonating with different people. When sometimes I see the analytics of the streaming, with it Spotify, Apple Music, there's a chunk of the most exciting statistic of that was that there are some like 3% 65 plus women who listen to my music.
How lovely.
And I felt, okay, now these women are listening to my music, something is right.
They're cool, yeah.
No, I feel I'm cool if they're listening to me.
Of course.
Because like then I'm relevant to like the 18-year-old, that's where the
I'm
metric
cutting
starts.
across, yeah.
18 to 65 plus, it's
It's
funky.
It's funky for
Yeah.
sure.
And what I feel about Ankur is that this quality of not just spotting or recognizing whatever that skill or talent of a particular artist might be, but trying to pool it in and also to further that particular skill in that particular artist. So in that sense,
He's
is
very good at that.
and he's not selfish or self-centered about it. So it is in a way, when you're talking about sleeping well at night, I think because you are largely serving music and not just your music. So this sort of, whatever it may be, and therefore you're not afraid to bring the commercial artist into the indie space, or vice versa, or do a Coke Studio Bharat and bring in people from, literally the entire country to be able to see what is possible. Some things work, some things don't work, but you have to just you keep sort of, and
He
that is
makes space.
make space,
Ankur
absolutely.
makes space,
Yeah.
and I feel like मुंबई में सबसे बढ़िया चीज है ये.
I had a joke about that if you apply for a car loan, not getting a car loan, you can apply for a house loan.
Yeah.
Because that's your home.
The truth is that it's been such a lovely ride to see the both of you artists, individually and then of course together. Chantake is streaming right now, as I keep saying, on a platform of your choice. But hey, tune into Fever because we're going to be playing it as well. So we're very excited about that. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you so
today.
much for supporting music, independent music, and all sorts of music. So it's lovely to have people like you who put our words on paper to music to the whole world to listen.
It's an honor. It's our job, actually.
Oh, yeah. We
Honor
get paid
to-
for this.
Yeah, damn it.
And you also, you always make space.
Thank you.
You do.
Thank you so much.